Hey everyone, before I get started with the video, thank you so much. We have over 300 subscribers on the channel. When I started this at the beginning of the year, I did it because I wanted to give back to the group of people that were starting when I started and were struggling. And there was a group that was just milking them all the time and trying to get extra money out of them. And I felt terrible because I ended up being a part of that. And I felt like there wasn't enough value in it. And that's why I started doing what I'm doing. So I set out to try and give extra value to them and do for them what they deserve. And it's grown into something a lot bigger, and I can't thank you enough. The last video, somebody put a comment asking about product research, and I actually did a consulting call with somebody who the one thing that they wanted to do was an hour of product research and how to systemize it, essentially. And one of the things that I don't talk about often enough is how to find what your competitors are doing. You can go and look for a certain product off of AliExpress. No big deal. You could find it. And you're going to get a slew of people who are selling it on Google Shopping and plenty of people who have their Shopify stores up. But what if you wanted to find a very specific product and you wanted to find a high quality product page? Or rather, let's reverse this. What if you wanted to find a vertical? Let's talk about dog toys. So what I do is I power up, get onto Google here. I search dog toys, put a plus, and then in quotes, I'm going to put powered by Shopify. So this is what shows up at the bottom of all of the Shopify themes. And most people don't remember to get this off. So if we do a search that has to include powered by Shopify on the page, this will show up any Shopify pages who haven't done this. So I'm going to search for dog toys. So by context and SEO, we'll find product pages and stores that sell dog toys that are Shopify stores. So we're going to go in and after the ads, we're going to take a look at Club Huey. So this is a Shopify store that sells dog toys. So if you wanted an idea, now I already know about Club Huey because I happen to remember seeing this dog, but so you could go in and we can find these. So we're doing this the reverse way that everyone does it. Everyone goes to AliExpress and says, well, I want dog toys. What do you got? Why not go to Google and search for people selling dog toys already and then go find it? So we know that it is a Shopify store powered by Shopify. So these may not have the margins that you're looking for, but there's probably upsells and opportunities because someone who has a dog isn't just looking for a dog toy. Maybe you could sell them on a cool leash, or you could sell them on a subscription service. So they want the dog toy now. Well, they know their dog's going to destroy it. Why not set them up to have a new toy every single month? You can do a subscription. It's $10 a month. You'll send a brand new toy every single month to their door. So don't just think about what the upfront is. So you can look for a Chuck It dog toy. What you would do is go on to AliExpress. So let's go to aliexpress.com and let's look for Chuck It dog toy. So it looks like it might be a designer brand. Take a look for, I saw Chuck It ball. So something like this. That was similar to what they had. And you're looking at about $5. So it's going to be expensive and it's going to take forever to ship. So this may not be the best, but we know we can find Chuck It balls. So that's what I would do. So let's do the same thing, but instead of doing for dog toys, let's do fitness equipment plus powered by Shopify. Portland Fitness Equipment is the first that is not an ad. So we're going to open this one up. And I also want to take a look at Rapid Fitness Equipment. Now, both of these have ranked for the fitness equipment with the Powered by Shopify. So this is a very specific search. And I'm going to show you that they will probably not rank if I just did fitness equipment. So while it is always important to mind your SEO, this didn't have great SEO to begin with. It just happened to be a very specific search. So Portland Fitness Equipment, this is a powered by Shopify website. However, this is not a drop shipping website. This is actually based in Portland, and there's their storefront. So they just happen to have a website with their storefront. So maybe not the best one to go to. Let's check out this one right here, Rapid Fitness Equipment. And it says, okay, workout gears, bulk orders, and orders for France. Okay. So let's take a look. So jump ropes, super fast ball bearings. So that might be something people are interested in. These people are making a living out of this. Now their website doesn't look all that great, but this isn't a design critique here. We're just looking for products. So they're sold out of these gloves. Maybe those gloves actually do something. So they're weightlifting gloves and women's weightlifting gloves at $25. So if you want to know what people buy, go to websites that are currently selling. These are all sold out. So everything weightlifting seems to not have stock. Like a weightlifting belt, I don't lift like that, so I wouldn't think of these things. But if you wanted to go into the fitness vertical and you may not have all the experience, this is what you'd look at. So this foam roller, I'm guessing, is probably for a massage. Yeah. So look at how they build their pages. They've got a video of them using it. So why not order one of these or send this to somebody on Instagram who's a fitness influencer and ask if they would do a video. Hey, I will send you this product absolutely free of charge. Would you mind doing a video explaining how to use it? These are the instructions. You'd be surprised. Just ask them to do it in the gym. And then they don't put much about their product right here. Now, mind you, up until this video, I've never gone to this website before. This is new to me. It's 3 quick things about it. It uses the same ball bearings as the jump rope, so high quality, fast ball bearings or whatever. And then customer reviews. There's 6 customer reviews, and that's it. Again, I really don't like the style of the website. It really does look like early 2000s website to me, but we're not here to critique the style. We're looking for products, and this is obviously working for them. So having a video at the top showing how it works, showing what it does, and then probably explaining how it helps is going to be good. And then let's do another one. Let's do jewelry plus powered by Shopify. So it doesn't matter what vertical you do, you will find products if you just go to Google and search for your vertical plus powered by Shopify. You have to put the quotes in there because that means when you put the quotes around something inside of a Google search, it's saying you have to find powered by Shopify on the website or you should not show me this page. So let's go to Mary's jewelry store, or Marie's. Sorry, Marie's jewelry store. Let's check this out. Little Footsteps bangle bracelet in blue. This is great for a mother-to-be. And again, I've never been to this website before, so I'm just kind of doing this kind of live. I mean, you're going to see it on YouTube, but I'm doing this without any kind of setup so that you can see what I do and how I do it when I'm looking for something new. So I would definitely say if you wanted to go after like expecting mothers, it's a great baby shower gift. It's a great gift for somebody that, hey, present this as, you go to the hospital, the baby was born, you give this to the new mom, like, oh my God, check this out, or oh my God, I'm so excited, or you're a godparent of the child, whatever it might be. This would be great. So all we'd have to do, I bet you this is, so we'll just do Little Footsteps bangle bracelet on AliExpress. Footsteps bangle bracelet. Print bangle bracelet. There you go, baby footprint bracelet. So not necessarily the same exact one, but we have ideas. So this would definitely be an idea that we can roll down. And I'm sure if we did a little bit more searching, we could find that exact same one, but a charm bracelet or something for an expecting mother. It's not something I would think of. Number one, I'm not expecting any kids. Number two, I can't physically have kids. This wouldn't be for me. And number three, I've never been to a baby shower. I've never been to the birth of a child. I don't know what people do for this stuff, but by going and just typing in jewelry and powered by Shopify, I got an idea that would probably be amazing for expecting mothers or friends of expecting mothers. So when you are running low on ideas or you have no idea what you want to do, try this. Go to Google. Stop going to AliExpress first. Go to Google and get ideas. You are not trying to reinvent the wheel. You are just trying to make your wheel go. Once you start to become successful in online sales, you could start to reinvent the wheel a little bit. You can take risks. But when you have $500 to spend to make this work, you have $500. That's it. Don't try and get lightning in a bottle. It doesn't work like that. Take your $500, invest it in something that is working for other people, and make it work for you. And then once you have money coming in and you can be a little more risky, take risks, but take calculated risks. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you at all, please do give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping training. I do put out a video every single day. So thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you in the next video.